So before we go further, I wanted to explain how the Django application works. Let's see if I can increase the size of this. Okay, so let me see. Okay, view. Let me see. Go to view. Let's see if I can increase the size. Okay, so I'll do large. Let me do extra large. So the way Django project work, inside your main project folder, you create your Django project, your virtual environment, then you install your Django library, then create your Django project with the manage.py file being out here. So something like this. Now the next thing so everything in your Django web application is an app. So you cannot start creating anything without creating an application first. So it's a rule of thumb. So let me show you guys something. So let's say I go to LinkedIn, for instance, my LinkedIn. So it takes me automatically to the feed, right? Is it the feed? Yeah, it will take me automatically to the feed. Then if I so want, I'm going to go to my profile or my job application, like that. Everything you see here, you need to create a Django application for it. So it might not necessarily be for every URL I'm going to click, but even for it to go to my field, my landing page, you need to create an application for it. It's really important. So it's gonna look so something like this, and you start creating an application for it. So my web application is still running. So the next thing I'm going to do is to create app. So remember, when I wanted to create project, I said Django-admin start project. This time around, I want to create an app. I will just say py manage.py or Python if you so want. If you are running on Linux, it's Python 3, and I think on Mac as well. So, but for Windows, suffices for you to call Py or Python. Manage.py, start application, then you name your app. So let's see, I can say my base application on my landing page. And so immediately I do that, you can see on my project, my base first program, the base application shows up there. Yeah, so this is my application here, and yeah, so then we'll now start creating. You can create a home page and stuff like that. And so I wanted to show you guys how the Django project works, or how Django application actually works. um, Maybe in the next class we'll do that.